So ladies and gents, welcome back to AllBrand Caravan Services, part of the McArthur Industries Group. We're here today, just want to give you a little bit of insight where we get a lot of phone calls with our pop-top wind-up caravans, not just the Jaycos, quite a few different Coromals, also different sort of manufacturers out there, where they speak about, as we all spoke, we've got the bagged awnings. Normally suggested, which would come with most of these units, we'll have a bagged awning scenario where it'll come out where you've got to go and fit this out, and a lot of people come back to us and have a chat to us about what would they like with the roll-out awning sector, and is there such a thing out there? So lucky enough, we've got some guys out there that have done a fantastic situation where we've got easy camper awnings, where they go through, these actually arms will attach to different awnings in the marketplace. So the roll-out awning can be purchased, and then we go through and then we go and fit these. There's different brackets for different manufacturers that need to be done on that sort of things. But guys, if you're looking at putting a roll-out awning onto a wind-up camper, we suggest this is the marketplace you go to. If you need any of this sort of information, see how it works, we can go through further to do this and show you how it all works. But guys, just letting you know, it's out in the marketplace. You can fit a roll-out awning. Makes it a lot easier whilst you are traveling. So if you are traveling down the road, you want to do those overnight stops where you can just put it up, go through. It's an easiest, there's three sort of indications when it goes up, it clicks into place, then you go through, roll your awning out. So as you wind up, comes up, clicks in the first stage, clicks in the second stage, got yourself and ready, off it goes, and it rolls out as a normal roll-out awning, which gives you ease of use other than having to put ropes and guide ropes out and poles and everything to do that. So jump on, have a look at it, great stuff. So we've got the easy camper awnings in stock here. If you need it, give us a call and give you a quote. Thank you, bye.